I'm going to teach you how to get somebody to think of a card and you can prove you knew what it was right from the beginning. This is Mandy, and I'm going to prove to her that I can influence her actions. Okay? I'm going to prove to you, I've got 8 cards, Mandy, and I'm going to prove to you I know what you're going to do. You're going to think of one of those cards. You're going to say it out loud, but before you do, I know which card you're going to name, and I'm going to prove it. Some people, but I just need to say something because I need to influence you. Some people will pick the Jack because it's the only court card there. Other people will pick the Joker because it's the only Joker there, obviously. Some people will pick the Spade because it's the only Spade there. Some people will pick the Ace because it's the only red card that's a diamond that's not a court card. Nobody picks the 5 or the 7. Nobody picks the Jack or the 6 or the 2. With all that information, I know exactly what you're going to do. You're very predictable. So which one would you like?
I want the Joker.
Are you sure? Because I knew you'd pick the Joker. It's going to piss you off when I show you that I knew that you're going to pick the Joker. You can change your mind. If you change your mind, you know, maybe that'll make you feel better. But the other thing is, I do magic, so I lie for a living, so maybe I'm lying to you. I'm getting your head all tangled up in knots now.
I want the Joker.
You want the Joker? Are you sure? I knew you'd pick the Joker, Mandy. I really, really did. And I'll prove it to you because I didn't show you this, but these cards all came from a blue-back bicycle pack, yeah?
Yeah.
As you can see, every single one of them, blue. But you chose to pick the Joker, which happens to be the only one with a red back. Like I said, I can influence everything that you do. Mind control. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to tell you something. This is a killer prediction trick. It's amazing. But if you want to see another killer prediction trick, then you want to go to Penguin Magic, the link's down below, and check out Predictions by my friend Roddy McGee. It is one of the best prediction tricks you will ever see. Link's down below. But for this one, you're going to need 8 cards, okay? And the only thing is, 4 of them have to be red-backed and 4 of them are blue-backed. Doesn't matter what they are. The important thing is that they're all different. So get yourself a couple of packs of cards, get 4 red cards, get 4 blue cards, make sure they're different, you're good to go. Now, all you're gonna do here is before you start the trick, you're gonna alternate the cards in any order as long as they alternate red, blue, red, blue. So look, you've got red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Now you're not gonna show the audience the back of the cards until later on. Instead, you're going to bring the cards out and you're going to put them on the table face up. Tell the audience that you are going to show them something amazing. They're going to have a free choice of any card, but you can prove you knew which card they were thinking of beforehand. Now, all you do is you spread out those 8 cards and you have them name any card. Whichever card they name, you're going to cut the cards so the card they name's on the face. So let's say, for example, they said the Queen. You just cut the pack like this so the Queen's on the face. If they said the 9, you just cut the cards like this so the 9's on the face. It makes no difference which card they name. You just have to cut the pack so that the card they think of is on the face. Now you deal that card to one side and believe it or not, you are ready to show that that's the only one with a different colored back. How? By doing a move by Ed Marlowe called the Old Ram Subtlety. It's super easy to do. Don't let it scare you. And by the way, interesting factoid, Old Ram is Marlowe backwards. That's where it got its name from. So you're going to hold the cards in your left hand like you're about to deal. You take the face card off in the right hand and you're going to turn your right hand over. And at the same time, you're going to turn your left hand over. So they're seeing blue backs, right? Now they're actually seeing this blue back like 3 times, but they won't notice. So you turn over like that. Now you turn face up and you deal the card from the right hand, then the card from the left hand. Now you do the same thing 2 more times. So you just push off this card, you turn this hand over as you turn this hand over, and you're showing blue cards. You drop this one from the right hand, this one from the left hand. Now you do the same thing again. You push this card over, you turn your hands over, you show blue cards, you drop this one from the right hand, this one from the left hand, and the last one you show like this, you drop it on top. And then this card is the only one with a red back. Now, sometimes their card will be the only one with a red back and the other ones are blue. Sometimes it will be the only one with a blue back and the other ones are red. Let me do that for you in full speed. They touch a card. You put it to one side, and this is the tempo you need to do this in. Look, all of these cards have blue backs, and you could have picked any one of these, but you picked this one over here, which is the only one with a red back. You put this on the face, and you're ready to do it again and again and again. It's a super simple mentalism trick that really makes it look like you knew what they were thinking of before they even thought about it. Don't forget to pick up predictions. It's amazing. The link's in the description. And if you want to learn more tricks for free, we're uploading them onto our YouTube channel all of the time. Click the subscribe button. That's going to make you. That's going to help, because then if you click the bell as well, you'll be notified every single time we put a video live. And there's others you can check out already down below. Go check them out, and I'll see you again right here in the Penguin Studios.